How to fix Play Store download restarts on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store download restarts on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again. Now just go to Google Play Store and here we'll find permissions. Click on it and then just check this one here. You need to allow storage and then just go back and go to storage and click clear cache and then force stop and go back. Now just restart your phone and now your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.